Hello kids, welcome to my class. I Ankita present today with my topic of discussion. Before I introduce my topic of discussion, let me tell you that from today onwards I am going to take your class. Today's date is 1/6/2020, that is 1st June 2020, and today's day is Monday. Today's day is Monday, that is the second day of the week. Monday, that is the second day of the week, and today's date is 1st June 2020, that is the first day of the month. And today's topic of discussion is introduction of vowels. Introduction of vowels. Okay, let me narrate you a story. Let me narrate you a short story. There was a village, and in that village there was a family. You know what family is? You must be knowing about that. You are living with your family. Okay? So there was a village, and in the village there was a family. In the family there were 20 siblings. Siblings means the brothers and sisters. Okay? Siblings means the brothers and the sisters. And out of these 26 siblings, the 5 siblings are very naughty. Out of these 26 siblings, the 5 siblings are very naughty. They always tell, whenever any sibling go out of the house, they tell that we will also go along with you. जब भी कोई भाई या बहन बाहर जाना चाहता था, तो इन 5 में से कोई ना कोई बोलता था कि मुझे भी जाना है साथ में, और ये सबको परेशान करके रखते थे. These 5 siblings used to keep all the other members of the family irritated, and not only irritated, they help them also. Okay, they also help them. You know the names of all the 26 siblings? Do you want to know the names of all the 26 siblings? Okay, let me introduce with all the 26 siblings. See here, you all already know about them. I know that you all already know about them. See, these are the 26 siblings about whom I am talking about. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y-N-G. So these are the 26 siblings. And now the 5 siblings about whom I was saying was these. These covered with रेड लाइन, जिनको मैंने सर्कल के अंदर रखा है, ये हैं आपके पांचों सिबलिंग्स जो बड़े ही शैतान हैं. They always used to say that I will go with them. One more thing they used to do, when you take the names of other siblings, it will give a stress on your mouth. Like when you say B, B, speak with me, B, B. Yes, your lips are touching with each other, isn't it? B. Your lips are touching with each other. But when you say eh, your tongue is, no part of your mouth is touching with each other. This sound is coming from your throat. आपके गले से ये आवाज आ रही है. Say with me, तो ये क्या है? ये बिना बुलाए ही दूसरों के साथ भी चले आते हैं. क्योंकि मुंह में इनको बुलाने में कोई जोर नहीं लगता. जब हम कुछ भी करते हैं इ ओ आई यू, तो ये हमारे साथ साथ चले आते हैं. तो ये जो 5 अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. ये पांचों अल्फ़ाबेट्स क्या हैं? These alphabets are called vowels. Now let's recite a rhymes. First I will recite it, then after you will recite after along with me. First I will recite, then you will recite along with me. Vowel of the alphabet I know. Vowel of the alphabet, I know them all by name. Oh. Vowel of the alphabet, I know them all by name. Oh. A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O. I know them all by name. Oh. Vowel of the alphabet, I know them all by name. Oh. A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O. I know them all by name. Oh. Okay, this rhymes I will send you, and you have to learn this rhyme. Vowel of the alphabet, I know them all by name. Oh. A, E, I, O, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them all by name. Oh. I know them all by name. Oh. Vowel of the alphabet, I know them all by name. Oh. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. I know them all by name. Oh. Okay, this is the rhymes. Now with this rhyme you can remember the vowels. With this rhymes you can remember all the vowels. See, these are all the vowels present in the alphabet. See, these are all the vowels present in all the alphabet. A, E, O, A, sorry. A, E, I, O, U. 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 Okay, let's create a story, small story with these vowels so that you can remember all the vowels throughout your life. Okay, A for ant, A for ant. A, 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 a. E for elephant, E for elephant. E, 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 E. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. A, 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 a. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. A, 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 a. O for orange, O for orange. O, 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 O. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. U, U, U. Okay, now you can see all these 5 things. Ant, elephant, ice cream, orange and umbrella. And let's keep it inside like this. Ant, elephant, ice cream, orange and umbrella. Okay, now let's create a small story through which you can learn these vowels. See, the ant and the elephant, they were very good friends. The ant and the elephant were very good friends. Okay, see, the ant is sitting on the elephant's trunk. The ant is sitting on the elephant's back. Okay, the ant and the elephant were very good friends. One day they planned to eat ice cream. One day they planned to eat ice cream, and that too of orange flavor. That too of orange flavor. They wanted to eat orange flavor ice cream. And suddenly, and they went to eat the ice cream, As soon as they started to eat the ice cream, it started raining. It started raining very hard, and both the elephant and the ant, they hide. The elephant and the ant, they hide under the umbrella. The elephant and the ant, they hide under the umbrella and enjoyed their ice cream. Did you like the story, kids? Did you like the story? A-E-I-O-U, I know them all by name. Vowels of the alphabet, I know them all by name. Vowels of the alphabet, I know them all by name. A-E-I-O-U, 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 A-E-I-O-U. These are the vowels. And the remaining alphabets, these are the vowels and the remaining alphabets are called consonants. These are vowels and the remaining alphabets are called consonants. Like you have studied in Hindi also, स्वर वर्ण एवं व्यंजन वर्ण. स्वर वर्ण एवं व्यंजन वर्ण. One more thing, do you know, kids, that without these vowels no words can be made. Even not your name can be made without these vowels. Like my name is Ankita. My name is Ankita and it includes two vowels, I and A. A and I. It includes two vowels. Without these vowels, no name can be made. See in the elephant. 1, 2, 3 vowels are used. Okay. So your homework is make five words with each vowel. Make 5 words with each vowel. Like A. A for ant. A for aeroplane. E. E for elephant. E for engine. the worksheet to this I will send you. You have to do it in your copy and send it to me for correction. I will send the worksheet to you. Do it in the copy and send it to me for correction. Thank you.